In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Countif calculation using Tableau in just a few simple steps. This process is incredibly useful when you need to count occurrences that meet specific criteria in your dataset, all within the powerful Tableau application. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Tableau app. This is where you'll manage and visualize your data, harnessing Tableau's capabilities to turn raw data into insightful information. If you haven't launched Tableau yet, take a moment to do so now. Once you have the Tableau app open, the next step is to select your workbook. Think of your workbook as the container where your data is stored and where you'll perform your calculations. If you have multiple workbooks, be sure to open the one that contains the data you want to work with. If you're working with a new dataset, you might need to create or connect to a new workbook. After you've opened your desired workbook, it's time to start drafting that Countif calculation. Begin by right-clicking on the data pane within your workbook. This action brings up a context menu with several options related to your data. Here you'll find the options necessary to begin creating your custom calculation. Now, look for and click on the option labeled Create Calculated Field. This is the gateway to crafting formulas that perform specific operations on your dataset, tailored to your analytical needs. Creating a calculated field will open a new dialog box where you'll enter your formula. In this calculated field dialog box, you'll need to type in your formula. This is where you use the countif logic to count items based on a certain condition. Although Tableau doesn't have a direct countif function like Excel, you can mimic this functionality. For example, you might type a formula like sumif your field equals your criteria, then 1 else, 0 end. This formula adds up entries that meet your specified condition. Replace your field with the column name and your criteria with the condition you're interested in counting. Remember to double-check your formula for any potential errors. Even small mistakes like a misplaced comma or bracket can throw off your calculation. Once satisfied, give your calculated field a name that makes sense for your specific analysis. This helps you quickly identify it in the future. When everything is set, click OK to save your new calculated field. It will now appear in your available fields, ready to be used in your visualizations and analyses. This gives you the power to dive deeper into your data and uncover insights that might have been hidden otherwise. And there you have it. You've successfully written a Countif calculation in Tableau, paving the way for more robust data analysis. As you become more familiar with these steps, you'll find even more creative ways to use calculated fields to enhance your data storytelling. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy analyzing!